Welcome to another exciting day. This device is called a switch. Not like the switch on our walls, but it is a switch for other purposes. Commonly used for elevators, and I seen some installation using this for cabinets, smaller one, and doors. It is called a limit switch. It has an adjustable sensor. This one is just a roller to slide it into the door. One example is an elevator. If you want to limit the elevator, meaning to stop for the ground floor or in emergency, you just adjust it like that. You can use an Allen screw here. The size of this model is for 532 size, so that you can open this and retighten it to your preferred. If this is the floor and it goes like that and it stops. If the click you hear, stop it. See? A door switch. How it become a door switch? One example is this is the door, right? And this part is the wall. If the door will open, it will alarm, or so that if somebody opens the door, it will light up, especially on the cabinet, because you can buy smaller limit switch such as like this. Let's open it. 2 screw. And it has a rubber seal for waterproofing. This is a solid metal, so that it will not bend if you close it. Much better. Okay, it has 4 terminals. If you click it, check it out. If you click it, saw it. This is normally closed. This is normally open. So that's it. That's ground terminals over here. And this one is a mechanism to push the middle switch. So I think it has a capacity of 10 ampere AC, and you can also adjust the rotation, meaning this one you can put in the front or the other side, or the here. It is an optional. If we open this one, for screw, just hold it firmly down because it has a spring inside. It might jump. Let's open this one. Okay, hold it in. Okay, now example, if you put it on this side, yes, it can be. If you put it on the other side, yes, just make sure, yes, like that. If you put it on the front, yes, it's really possible. Just make sure while rotating it, hold it firmly or it will jump. If you want to see the inside, of course I'll show you the inside. Just pull this and it is easily pulled. That's it. A grease. This one makes this trigger to go down like that, and if it rotates, this will go down, and continuously it will. So up down like that. It has spring, it has a rubber gasket, and this one is pushing that metal that makes the terminal change position. And let's put it back. First of all, this has no lock. It locks if it's normally closed, but if you open it like that and you pull it, it can be removed. But the problem is, if you remove this, you need to open this one again just to put this back. So make sure, if you don't need to pull it, don't pull it. Okay, let's put it back, the spring. The lever. Is this a lever? Yeah, this is the lever. And push it down like that. Of course, put back the two screws first on each side, so that you need to test it first before finalization of blocking, so that you can two screws first to lock it in, because you need to test it first if the spring is aligned. Okay, now check it. Yep, still works. So can now return this to. So if this position, it cannot be removed. But if you switch it like that, you can actually pull it, but don't pull it all the way, because you need to reopen this one. Just close it. Close. Install all screw. Okay. Let's put back the cover. Actually, this is just a 1/2, so you are limited to install fittings or pipes with the size of 1/2. These are the mounting for holes, and of course you can adjust this one if you want it longer or shorter. Also again, this one, let's get the Allen. Do not rotate it, just pull it. Oops, more. Okay. Then see, you can adjust it like that. See, then lock it in, or like that, then lock it in. See, oops, oh sorry. See, so it's quite adjustable. Any direction can be resolved on this, what they made. Very much adjustable. You don't need to buy left side, right side, on the top. It's just, it can be adjusted on what you preferred location, which it will hit the trigger for the switch. So we're good.